Peace, everybody. It's the Grand Scheme of Crypto back at you once again with another video. This time, taking a look at Ethereum on the charts for some technical analysis. First and foremost, nothing said here is financial advice. It is for entertainment purposes only, as I draw these pretty squiggly lines on this chart and watch them manifest millions for us all. Let's get right into it. So today, taking a look at Ethereum here on the chart. So on the daily to start off with. So Ethereum long term is moving up nicely. It's in a long-term uptrend, right? As you can see, we have a low here and a higher low here. Now, as we zoom in a little bit closer, let's take a look at the 4-hour. Bam. And also one thing to note is that on the daily chart, the RSI was above 70, I believe, which indicates that it's oversold and that a short-term pullback might be in the works for Ethereum. Now, as we can see, I have these pretty little triangle lines drawn up here for Ethereum. And as far as the price action right now, what I see is I see Ethereum potentially breaking down from where it is currently, getting rejected off these lines here. But that's just me. I think it's going to come down to... I think it's going to come down and maybe bounce off 27,000. But I'm not sure. Let's take a look at where the 21 EMA is. So actually the 21 EMA is sitting at 29.50. So it might just, it's actually moving up quite nicely. So that could be wrong. I think we could see some further upside action here with it maybe bouncing off of this 21 EMA. Just coming down to retrace to about maybe 29.58-ish, somewhere around there. And then let me get these lines out the way. And then maybe continuing upwards after that. Now these this triangle here, I think this triangle is still in play. I do think that, you know, it's just, you never know, man. It might push past this triangle and then, you know, kind of come back to retest it and then continue upwards, or it may get rejected right here and, you know, kind of fall back downwards and continue to kind of just play out this triangle. So you really just have to watch and pay attention to see. As far as looking at these other indicators here, as we look at on the 4-hour, the RSI is kind of in the neutral area, sitting at around 50 on the RSI. The MACD is just barely, looks like it's red, so just barely flip red. We may see a little bit of green here in the short term, but then that may quickly, like I said, to flip back to more red as far as on the histogram here for the MACD. So, and like I said, red means pretty much, you know what, let me just, before I even get into details on the MACD, let me make sure I use the proper terminology. So I won't go into details on there, but pretty much red is bad and green is good. So we'll just keep it as simple as that. All right, so that's it for this one, guys. As you can see, I'm watching Ethereum. I'm pretty much looking forward to pretty much break past this little bit of resistance here that it has. It looks like, because it touched this area previously on the March 2nd around $3,000 and it got rejected. Came back down to touch 2,400. So we could see the same thing happen again, but instead of coming down to 2,400, we may come down to about 2780-ish, somewhere around there. So we'll just have to keep an eye on it and see. I'll make an update video tomorrow and we'll kind of see where it has gone. And yeah, but as far as making any plays on Ethereum right now, in my opinion, I don't see any shorts or any long plays. I mean, I guess you could potentially maybe take a short right here, you know, and just in case it drops back down to about 27.68, but that's not financial advice, and this is not, it's kind of a risky play because, like I said, Ethereum could keep moving further upwards. And as far as the RSI on the 4-hour, it's neutral. So let's see, to take a look at the 2-hour. So it's pretty neutral on most of the time frames. So the 1-hour is not neutral, so it's going to be a short-term pullback likely pretty soon here. But like I said, not sure exactly where to pull back to. It may not pull back very much, but we'll keep an eye on it, guys. That's my analysis for Ethereum. I'll try to educate you guys more on these indicators like the MACD and the stochastic RSI on my videos as I do them. That way you guys can kind of know what these indicators are and how I use them to kind of gauge where I think Ethereum is doing, and how I think the price action is pretty much moving. All right, so that's it for this one, guys. Stay tuned for more videos. I hope this helped you guys out. I know I was kind of all over the place with Ethereum, but like I said, I'm kind of getting back into the groove with my charting and analysis and just trying to help you guys out. But that's it for this one, guys. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. It's the Grand Scheme of Crypto. God bless. I'm out. Peace.